Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I am standing in front of a 2025 Kawasaki KRX 1000 Trail Edition. We've just installed the RYCO Street Legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around and tell you a little bit about the kit. There's actually 3 Street Legal kits from RYCO for the KRX 1000. This one is going to replace that entire stock headlight assembly. Yes, you heard that correct. I'll post up in the description below a link to where you can go on, get the part number, and order it today. We've got them in stock as of the date of the video. So, how does it work? How does it function? How does it operate? Just like a car. Down will be left. We've got those indicator lights up on the dash letting you know the turn signals are on. But check this out. Very custom light integrated into the headlight assembly itself. You do have those signature lights from Kawasaki, right, on the stock headlight. That does still exist, but with the RYCO kit, it's going to update that and illuminate that in amber that you're going to need to be street legal. Over here on the back side, I love how the RYCO kit ties into the stock tail light assemblies. It's utilizing all of those bright LEDs, going to illuminate, going to give you that visibility you need while you're out on the roadways. And while we're on the back, it does come with a custom license plate bracket that is designed specifically for the KRX. It also includes a light to illuminate the plate at night. Most states do require that your license plate is illuminated for nighttime visibility. Also with the RYCO kit, we've got the 4-way hazard function. You're going to simply pull out on that red lever. All 4 corners are going to illuminate. Very nice, looks super good from the front. And then around the back side, again, we're utilizing all of those bright LEDs from Kawasaki. To release the 4-way hazard function, you're going to simply go up or down with this lever. You cannot push that red lever back in, so go up or down with the lever. And then also while we're here, it comes with the horn button integrated into the end of the lever. Very loud horn to let the people know you're coming up on them. So with the RYCO Street Legal Kit, when you are going on to place an order with us online, there are 3 different kits. This is the kit that's going to replace those stock headlights. Check out our other videos. We'll link those up in the description below as well as at the end of this video. If you want to see the Fang Light kit or your typical 3/4 inch LED kit where you need to drill some holes. From Big Pine Sports, this is Jared. We got you covered. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text, or you can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Huge thank you to RYCO Moto. They produce some amazing street legal kits.